here with some preorbital and some interdigital gland, and we're going to do a couple other things with the water hole. So come on along. So first of all, we're going to put the preorbital gland from Buckstik on the rope on the frayed area here. Make sure you shake the ball up before you use it. Okay, that's the preorbital gland. Next gland we're going to put on is the interdigital, which is in the hoofs of the deer. We'll put that in the mock stripe down here. That's pretty much it. Preorbital on the rope, interdigital on the ground, and mock stripe. Okay. My scent free from it, so I'm not touching it. And usually generally set it up about waist high or about belly button high. You know, deer are not very tall. So you don't want to get it too high where they're stretching the reach to get it. You don't want it too low where it's like below them. So you want about where their head can reach it. And okay, in this next segment, I'm going to be refreshing up a Buckstick I have here by my water pond. I'm going to put preorbital on the ropes and the vines, not on the leaves, because pulling the leaves, deer tends to pull on the leaves. So shake the ball up good. This is preorbital. Going on the vine. Next, I'm going to put the forehead gland in the black area here on the Buckstick. This is the forehead gland right here. And then in the bottom here, I'm going to put a mock stripe in here. I'm going to put the interdigital in the mock stripe. Again, I use a stick to keep my scent down. Try to make a streak a little, probably about 2 foot by 2 foot. And then I spray the interdigital in it. Couple squirts. That's pretty much it. This Buckstick's ready to go. I'm not touching it, so I'm not putting my human scent on there. Trying to keep my human scent down as much as possible. So I've been out there and taken another 2 buckets of water out to the water hole. Part of my video, I'm going to kind of show you my fruit plot here, which is about 1 acre in size. I have a few stands. I have a stand in the corner, a stand over here in this corner, and I have a stand here in front of me to my right. This fruit plot's got rye, a little bit of rape in it, and some winter peas in it. Just 20 yards from my output point. Apply the preorbital, the interdigital, which goes on the scrape in the bottom, and the forehead, which goes on this black area right there. And you notice again, I'm not touching the buckstick here. I keep my scent off of it. Just spraying it on here and leaving it. First goes on the pure overall. Couple squirts, all you really need. That's a pure over gland. Next, we're going to put on the forehead gland. It goes on the gland. It's a gland that's in there by their horns. And next, I'm going to put the interdigital, which goes on the ground here by the straight. That's pretty much it. I'm just going to leave this. It's in the 20 yards from my stand. And out in the open here so the deer can really see it. And we'll put the camera over on the tree or behind my camera and see what happens. Camera. This is the mount that I DIY in my other video. You can go to my video before this and see how this is built. It's this is threaded, this is pointed, this is threaded. They'll bolt together. And I'll show you how you set it up. Start a little ways with my camera. And that's what we do is put the camera up first and get it down there. See? Start of course, but you get it. What I generally do is get it started on a little ways. Start sometimes it's a little hard to get started. Really the tree I go over halfway, so it's good solid. Pretty much tight there, aim towards the buckstick out there, and fire it up. If you like and subscribe, by subscribing you help me out greatly with the channel. Make sure you leave a comment down below as far as content you want to see. I'm going to try to put out a video a week, so stay tuned.